Right guys, we've got a, anybody who's got a SOG system on the motorhome caravan. While we're in Benidorm earlier this year, the fan decided to break or stop working. I've already took the fan off, and what I didn't know, so as I think it's a class 1 they call it, but that goes in there, or went in there. Right, so I've already cut the collar off it, so the collar I've actually, how can I do this? The collar I've actually put inside there, and I've managed, because this fan was knackered. I mean, I did check the wiring right up to here with a multimeter. No power there, but the fan just wasn't turning. But these with the fan, cheapest I found online is £86.50, which to me is pretty extortionate. But I have found some fans on Amazon. The computer fans are 12 volts, 0.02 amps, I do believe, and the 8,500 revs a minute. So I'm going to see on the water rating. These are the fans, £10 for 4. Now hopefully that will fit in there, and I find out which way round it spins. I think it must go that way by the looks of it. No, I don't know, we'll find out in a minute. Yeah, £10.19 I think they are for 4 computer fans. The is it IP65 rated for water moisture. So I'll see if I can. I'll cut the wire off the end, attach it to these two, and see which way around it spins, and hopefully it should be a pretty simple job. I've already opened the slot up. Hopefully I should get power to that. That's the red one, that's the black one. So let's see. I don't blow myself up first. And nothing. Right. Let's see how we go now. What can I do? I can put some connectors on. Right. I'll feed the wire through the hole. Get some connectors on there. Let's see if that'll make any difference. It's supposed to be 12 volts, so we'll see how we go. Connectors. I'll put rocks right my own. All this thing's up in these baggers. There. Nails out. Some females end up. small one's blue or red. I think it must be red. Yeah, red ones. Go back in. We'll see if we can get some red under them. We're looking them up. Oh, shining here all over the place here. It's a bit awkward. Right, let's see if we can get these baggers on there. My pet hates these little shitty things. That's one on. Double these. Next baby. Seems to be on our feet. Like I said, we'll see. I don't know which way around it goes. Oh shite, push our way bloody in there. Well, you can see they're a bit small. I'm going to put some tape around that. See how we go. Right. Let's put this in. Red to red. Right, I managed to get the fan in there. What I've done, I've put some insulation tape around it. It was a little bit too small, so I put some insulation tape around it, put it in. Whatever it is, I forgot to put the bloody wire that bit on, so I'm just going to cut that. I'm not, because I've already wired it in. So I'm going to cut that, get some sleeves around them, and then hopefully we should all be good to go. But I'll get that done. I'll turn you off for a while because it's a bit hard filming, but it's a bit better doing 80, £6.50, 10 quid for 4. See how it goes. Right, I put a bit of Seeker flakes around it, and that'll get it fastened on. See how we go. Right, all the wiring done, tied up, got back on, pipe back on, and now we'll go up. See if we can hear it working. Just. It's very quiet. Not to say, very quiet. Yep, definitely heard it. Now to change the filter in there, 2 screws under here, take the front off, put a new charcoal filter in, It's all good. Save some money, that bugger. I just hope it saves somebody else a bit of a fiddle. Don't get me wrong, because I did put fanning wrong way round to start with. You could actually suck it and not blow it. But I've took it out, turned it round. But yeah, hope it saves you some money. Simple as. It saved me 76 quid. So there you go. I think SOG might be onto me now to take this video down, but who knows. See you later. Goodbye.